Naiintindihan, sir?
Do you swear to abide by the laws of the truth in marriage and family life? Witnesses, please stand up. So the witnesses here shall give testimony to this union and confirm the qualifications of the bride and groom that they sponsor. Witnesses say we do if you agree with the following statement. Do you swear that the bride and groom are personally known to you?
We do.
Do you swear to the best of your knowledge and belief the bride and groom possess all the qualifications and none of the disqualifications to enter into the sum of a marriage?
We do.
Do you swear to the best of your knowledge and belief the bride and groom are entering into the sum of a marriage voluntarily?
We do. We do.
All the people present here today, may hawak ng camera kasama, pati yung mga bride and groom, kasama rin kayo. Does anybody object to the union of these brides and grooms? So speak now or forever hold your peace. Anyone who objects? No. In the absence of any objection, I now ask these brides and grooms to face each other and join hands. Harap po kayo, hawak kamay, ibigay lang yung harap ninyo, ay yung partner na kayo ninyo. Walang magpapalit, ha? Now, today the Christian Catholic General invite your own free will in my presence, in the presence of the witnesses gathered here. Say, I do, if you give your consent to this marital union. So I will say to ask the groom. Mga lalaki kayo, kung akong tatanungin. Do you take your bride as your legally wedded wife and bind yourself forever in her love and service? Brides, do you take your groom as your legally wedded husband and bind yourself forever in his love and service?
Maybe.
Please produce the rings. Iba po mga tingting. Iba po
Walang
kanan
tingting.
tingting ay mga babae. Dalawang kamay.
Parang lalaki. Ako may mag-tingting.
Mga lalaki po. Grooms, as you place the ring on your bride's finger, say to her, wear this ring. Symbol of my love and fidelity.
Video, video.
Kasha. Sure. Thank you.
Bride, as you place the ring on your groom's finger, say to him, wear this ring.
Wear this ring.
Symbol of my love and fidelity.
A symbol of my love and fidelity.
Talagang talagang mga ako mga babae. Hindi na kayo din sa mga nananakot na asawa ninyo. Ang hina ng pangako nila.
Siniraan. Yan, sakto.
Now, bride and groom. Together, hawak kami pa rin po kayo. Tingin sa isa't isa ng malungkit. At mga nakapay sa bawat isa. Sabihin po natin ng sabay, from this day forward.
From this day forward,
We shall be one heart and one soul.
we shall be one heart and one soul.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse,
For richer or for poor.
for richer or for poorer,
In sickness or in health.
in sickness or in health,
Until death do us part.
until death do us part.
Meron pa po ba kayong sasabihin sa bawat isa? Now, therefore, by the power of the Spirit, only by the most of their copies, the peace of the Spirit, counsel, why and also now. Hindi ka na pwedeng sinis-sinis ka na kanina. Make it to that.